Book of Heaven, Volume 11, August 15th, 1914. Fusing oneself in Jesus in order to relieve him from the pains caused by creatures. As I was in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus came in a different way from the usual one which he has had with me during this period of my life. That if he comes at all, it is just for a little, in passing, flashing by, and with almost total cessation of the sufferings which he used to communicate to me upon coming. His holy will alone is what makes up for everything in me. So this morning he came and stayed for several hours, but in a state that would make the stones cry. He had pain everywhere and wanted to be relieved in each part of his most holy humanity. It seemed that if this were not done, he would reduce the world to a heap of rubble. It seemed that he did not want to go so as not to see the slaughters and the grave sights of the world, which almost forced him to do worse things. So I clasped him to myself, and wanting to relieve him, I fused myself in his intelligence so as to be present in all the intellects of creatures, and therefore give my good thought for each evil thought, in order to repair and relieve all the offended thoughts of Jesus. In the same way, I fused myself in his desires, so as to be present in all the evil desires of creatures, in order to place my good desire and relieve the offended desires of Jesus, and so with all the rest. Then, after I relieved him part by part, as though cheered, he left.